Welcome to the Impact Mobile Website Builder. Now this is the dashboard area where you have an overview of the people visiting your mobile website, used your call to action buttons or clicked on your social media buttons. Also on the dashboard you will see a preview of your mobile website. Of course this one is completely blank because you start from scratch. In this tutorial I will show you how easy it is to create a mobile website. I will now click on Site Builder, which will lead me to the actual mobile website composer. This is the widget area. As you can see, we have a lot of different widgets you can use to create your mobile website pages just by dragging and dropping the widgets onto the preview on the right side. I'll first go to the design area. In the design area you can choose a pre-designed theme for your mobile website or choose any color you want by customizing it. You can also change the header and the footer, the color of the header and the footer on the website pages to any color or pattern you want. You can change the default text the website uses and of course the background color of your website pages. Just open up the color bars, pull the sliders, you can see the effect on the right side immediately. So if you're happy with the basic settings of your website pages, just click on Save Settings. Of course you can always change it later if you want to. So now I'm going to add a logo to the mobile website. Just click on Upload and I will upload an image. In this example I will use the logo from a car company. Now if you want to change the size of the logo, just pull the slider to the right. Done, I'm happy, and now I go back to the widget area where I can create extra pages for my website. That's also very easy. Just click on Add Page. It will show you to create a blank page. I will edit it. Click on the settings and give it another name. And if I want to a meta description, meta keywords for search engine optimization. You can not only create new blank pages by adding them to the website, you can also copy pages if you want. By copying it, you will keep the entire layout buttons, whatever you create. A contact page, it will be the third page for this example website. Update the changes. Now I will go back to the widget area to create the content for the different pages. Okay, now the fun part begins because I'm going to use the widgets to create content for the web pages just by simply dragging and dropping the widgets onto the workspace. First thing I will do is create a single image, and after that a gallery and a slideshow. But first a single image. Just drag and drop it onto the workspace. This opens up a pop-up screen where you can choose to upload a file. Give it a name, upload it. It's very easy. You can even add a link to it, so people click on it, open up a web page. I can change the design, I can add an image border, change the color of the image border, just by dragging the sliders. This more grayish for an example. Won't do that for now. Of course I can change the size. This is almost full width, but if you want to have it full screen, that's also possible. Click on the slider full width. Now it's on the entire screen. You can also use the gallery widget if you want to create a product page with different pictures and images, or create a slideshow. So by dragging and dropping it onto the workspace, it opens up slideshow settings. You can add multiple pictures at once, change the settings, navigation arrows. You can auto start it if you want to. Slide the thumbnails on or off if you want to show thumbnails or you don't. If you're happy with the settings, one thing left to do, change the time this slideshow changes pictures. And if you're done with the settings, click on save and that's it. I won't do that now for this example, so I will cancel this one. You can easily add YouTube video as well to the website. Drag it, opens up this pop-up screen. Just fill in the YouTube video URL, and for most people the basic default settings will be sufficient, but if you want to, you can change them. Show annotations or info at the end, add an image border, and it will create the video for you. Very easy to do. You can even change the color of the image border if you want to. Cancel this. You can always change the content on the web page just by going over to the widget, click on the edit icon and change whatever settings or images or whatever you want. Click on the save button and it will be changed. Of course I will cancel this now because I don't want to keep this. Actually I'm going to delete this one just like this, and I can add some new widget. We offer 4 widgets to create navigation buttons on the website. Normal buttons, app style buttons, a menu structure, or the default navigation buttons. In this example I will now create app style buttons. Dropping the app button widget on the workspace, now I can edit the button settings. I can link the button to an inner page, create an external link, or create a call or email button. Give it a name, services. You can even change the icon when I'm happy with the result. I'll just click on save. That's finished. Create another one by clicking on add button. Same routine, very easy to do. Creating a contact button. Change the icon and link it to the inner page. You can see the changes I make at a preview. Using the tab color settings enables you to edit the color and style of the buttons. You can customize the buttons to match the look and feel of the website, create transparent buttons, or change them to any color you like. This is the default navigation button, which is always added to every new page, because people sometimes forget to add navigation. Like every widget, you can edit the settings here, add text to the buttons, back and home in this case. I can choose from a lot of icons, like this for example, and when I'm done, hit save, it shows the result. So let's say you want to add text to this page. You can use the text widget to create a normal text block, an accordion style text block. You can create a price list with pricing, or a restaurant menu. Okay, I'm going to add a normal text block. As you see in the text editor, you have all the tools you need to edit text. You can change the style, or choose another font type, and change the size and alignment. As an example, I will paste some text. Changing the font to Verdana with a size 12. 12 and text shadow off. Now if you want to, you can also add a link to the text. Just select the text and click on the chain icon and put in the URL. But I'm done here, so I will save it. This was a normal text block. I will now show you the power of the accordion widget. That's used when you have more items with text on a page. Just create the items. You add as many items as you want to. Change the title of the item. Then you go to the edit tool to add some text to the item. Save it. That one's finished. Next one. Another item. You can add as many items as you want. Add some text to this item. Hit the save button. And at the color settings tab, you can change the color, the transparency, change the text if you want to. Hit the save button. This one's finished. As you see now, it opens up when you click on it. Beautiful. Okay, delete this one to create another example list. The restaurant widget and the price list widget offer you an easy way to create a restaurant menu or a product list. Difference is that with a price list, you can add a buy button URL for PayPal or any other payment processor. You can choose the currency, create categories, add more categories, and then add sub-items to the categories. Just click on the edit button, open up the sub-item, change the title of the sub-item. For example, I will use car 1 for this demonstration. Price for this car is 5,000. And if I want to, I can here at the buy now button URL put, for instance, the link to my PayPal button. Very easy to do, very easy to create a great looking price list. So this is the result of the price list I created. Of course, there's not that many items at the moment in this one. Deleting this one because I want to show you how to use the social media widget. So when you use social media like Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, you can add those buttons to your website as well. It's very easy, just drop the widget, choose whatever social media you use like LinkedIn or Facebook, click on add, put in your fan page, the company name, Twitter feed, your Twitter account is over there, just add it, it will automatically be put on your web page. It's over there. You can change the icons as well. If you're not too happy with the round ones, you can choose a more square one, modern one, or app style. So I like this one, I will save this. You can also add social share button for Facebook and Twitter. You can choose just to show the Facebook button or the Twitter button. Click on save and it's added to the web page. Of course, this is just an example, so I'm gonna remove some of the items to create some space, and I will show you how to use a Twitter feed on your web page or on your website. Just put in the Twitter username and then how many tweets you want to display on your website. Like 10, fine by me. And there it is, the Twitter feed. I'll remove this one. Yes. A must have for every web page, I think, on the home page for every website is to add click to call and click to email buttons. You can change the color, you can change the text of the buttons, but make sure you got it on every website because visitors do want this. Just click on the button, it calls a number you entered, creates an email for you. Very easy, and the visitors will appreciate it. Same for the email us button. You can change the text if you want to. The color. I will change it like email. You can choose another color. Enter the email that's being used for the email button. You can change the icon. Now it's done and looks beautiful on the web page. going to another page now because I want to show you how to create a contact form for your mobile website. The default, I think, is sufficient for most people. It allows you to enter your name, your message and your email address. I can even change some of the items if I want to, like changing the title name, make the field required if I want to or not. I can change the text that is shown as well. I will do that now by changing it to your full name. You can do that with every field if you want to. You can also add a multi-line text to the fields or add checkboxes. Might be handy if you want to receive messages for a certain subject or item. I will show you how to change those items. I can edit the text of the checkbox items, make them required, yes or no. I change them to test drive. In this one I will change to request for an appointment. I will unmark checkboxes so the visitor can decide what to choose, not pre-fill them. And when I'm done with this, I will go to the common settings because the system wants to know to what email address the form should be sent to. In this case, for example, office@company.com. It's just an example, of course. You will have to add your own email address. It also can create the subject for the email, subject line. You can change the submit button title and the thank you page text, like thank you, we will contact you, or we will get back to you. I'm done editing now, so I'm going to keep this, save it, and now I've created a contact form with checkboxes. You see how easy it is, just drag the widget over there, change the settings to let the system do the hard work for you. If you want to add a Google map with driving directions to your mobile website, it's very easy. Just drop the widget. It opens up the settings for the Google map. I will give the location a title. This example, company called the Haas. I will have to put in the location address. It has found it already. Creates the map for me, and now we have the option to show or hide the get directions button. We'll put that to on. I can even show or hide the Google map on the page and change the get directions button text. Now it's hidden, it will only show the get directions button, but I do want to show the map as well. Click on save, that's it, very easy. So when a visitor now hits the get directions button on the website, it will connect to the Google Map navigation app of the mobile phone to get the directions and navigate to the company. When you're finished with all the pages, you can publish the site changes to see how it looks on your mobile phone. There's also a preview available. It shows the website on your PC. You can try it, navigate to the different pages. You can also redirect the visitors from your normal website automatically to your mobile website with the redirect options in 3 easy steps. Just paste the code into the index page of the PC website. We also offer you a lot of statistics for your mobile website. Just click on your stats and it will open up the statistics. You will see how many people visited your website, how many people clicked on your click to call buttons, you clicked on email buttons. Now everybody can build a mobile website or a landing page or a product page. Thank you for watching. Happy building!